too goddamn fine. Girl, you sweet like candy. My baby fancy. Painting like Mandy. You promise me you gon' never leave me. You never leave me, you sweet like candy. My baby fancy. Yeah, painting like Mandy. You promise me you gon' never leave me. You never leave me, yeah. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, boy, you me lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, boy, you me dear. You too damn fine. You too goddamn fine. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, boy, you me lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Let me say, boy, you me dear. You too damn fine. You too goddamn fine.
Radio Papa, I'm music. Thank you. Zoom.
Yo, chairman.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Too much. Medeka, Obiso de Meka, so Chiameka, Papa Bejanka, America, Omodeka, and Yashe, Udia Jamenka, Minibi, woman put me saying Kura Minibi, Minibi, Jacotima Minibi,
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And I've never in my life found myself in a situation where I've stopped work and said, thank God it's Friday. But weekends are special. Even if your schedules is all over the place, sometimes tell yourself the weekend has arrived and you can enjoy yourself in a bit. Folks, beautiful Friday morning. And you live on Hinkai 93.3 FM. How you are doing? If you speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekume Poa Eteme, I was at Yade. If you speak Frafra Lawone, if you speak Rushi Kwete, and Zima Cordier, if you speak Fancy or today, and if you do speak Tree, me what you want to say. And then you fear that Friday. Juma Juman was Sugushauti, and of course, my name has always been Jenny Me Champion Boaten Cosmos. From a Cobina Costi, from a Bruce Money, and now Branton Pod, the Perfect Gentleman, show produced by Nanato Point Hinder First, or Hinder by Costu at the Podumas, Mr. Charles. That's right. So we're here from 9 to 12 p.m., 37 minutes into the hour 10. Ebusia, Memobia Coba BM at the Bahin Kaya Farm. So, and then fear the 8th day of the month, October, and we're here.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Alright, so I'll bring you motivational message in a jiffy. Our famous birthday and question of the day. Mepa try na question of the day no. Mepa choti. Ye be suya de kakra. Ye suya de kakra ti. Bonsano And I say, oh, bon sound tea. See. That's right. You can't say, oh, brofum. And you go school, kakra. Bon sound, you can't say, oh, brofum. Me patch send a voice note. Fafa WhatsApp 0594 841 044. 0594 841 044. Your WhatsApp number. And a SMS and so sa. Me patch test the bra. Bon sound. And I oh bon sound. Ningi na yan sound na. You can't say, oh, brofum. Bon sound. Right. Right, so let's do this song from Camido. This is the Peru version. It is a refix. Peru Para. You ready? That's right.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I see one girl for Ace last night. She told me straight she was in my type. She didn't know me, I came with my guys with the tear money on top the floor like mice. We dey play other girls like FIFA. Today I knock less with me, my nigga. Normally I don't like to the jam too much on my song. Fire boy take over. When you won't want me, when you won't want me, I'm in San Francisco, Jammy. When you won't want me, when you won't want me, I just flew from Miami. Make I just tell you my rules. Me I don't like to boost, sip on my juice. Looking for girls with boobs. Nothing extra I go do, just catching my cruise. DJ play my music, make the fine girls with their cameras all on me. Make I do selection. If I see somebody, make your like straight to action. Yeah, hey, what's your IG? Make I like, make we vibe just tonight. Make a spicy up your life with some. If you don't like me, make you not like me. But if you love my music, just hype it. Do so much and that's
Mid-Morning
like
Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed
when you
day.
won't want me, when you won't want me, I'm in San Francisco, Jammy. When you won't want me, when you won't.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so the Friday edition of Juma no Wasugu with you. The folks, send in your messages through 0594 841 044. 0594 841 044. Me patch send a text message for bra. Bon sano ya can't send bro fu. Bon sano. And that's all be bon sano. You can't send bro fu. Just send them through 0594 841 044. And I'll be more than glad to read them live on radio for you. Trust me.
When you won't want me, when you won't want me, I just flew from Miami.
Peru Para. Peru Para.
Make I just tell you my rules.
You know let me do sipping my juice. Looking for girls with boobs. Waiting next time I go do just like this. DJ tell my music.
Make the fine girls with their cameras all on me. Make I do selection. If I see somebody, make your like straight to action. Yeah, hey, what's your IG?
Right, it's a Friday. So we are away. And I want him say as part of our social responsibilities, I encourage from every Friday be a bro Freaky Funky Friday.
Make you know like me.
Freaky Funky Friday each and every Friday. Hosted by my man DJ Thozik from Peace FM. My patch we a rapper, we a singer, we a DJ. Yeah, more Quenya no say I want so bra. Now bet Shani I will come and show us what you got. Freaky Funky Friday each and every Friday between the hours of 9 to 11 p.m. DJ Thozik Batinasi and show produced by DJ Nelson and myself. That's right. It is all your rapper and come patrol be share. And as I share me, and as I share Brad Nelson. I mean if I want to so. Na the attendant says Nyankopon ya adom. Na adom be foul. And I don't be locate you.
Last night, she told me straight she was
like I said, Joe.
She didn't know me.
On our rap, on our so you need. On our voice, on our chair. D Media Productions.
Today I'm not less with me, my nigga.
We try video near the air. We push you. Now if you also need Camido ma by your pay. When they can promise ma by your pay. When they call me Uji ma by your penalty. And the second song. Say happy each and every Friday here on a Hinkan 93.3 FM hosted by my man DJ Thozik. Me pacha o pasha si ato wachima bo abu krom hana. Asase amanso problem ye ni ho afa wababo krom ha. Looking for litigation freelance to buy at Achimabwabo. That your problems are solved. I'm interested person be after 0553 044 069 0553 044 069. Opa asase amanso bi ani mato wababo krom ha no dia. Na ofre number we. Asase no de be ameka se. Abusuan panifo aba bebre na ta tonton ma mo. Omuhufo omuhu nipa fo ne ade. Ebi so de pa maso mo. Obetima yo be mana na me mecha asase de mecha asase. Wa poni asase no kakre ebi de ama ne mpren. Wa sa to ama na afo de abusuafo na wo ko hu manso sa. Asase we de be pacho problem bi ani ho. Manso bi anso ni ho. De shade so. Se wo to asase a. Ati asase a manso bi ani ho. Color Studios and Vigata Embroidery. Color Studios and Vigata Embroidery. Prepare for your wedding photography, birthday photography, studio photography, pictures framing, passport picture.
She told me straight she was in my type.
I recommend to you the best photography shop. Achimada Kroma in Port Pem will be a Joma too. Open photographer the Niate. Photograph for your guy. Of studio Honsa Power. Studio Papa. Color Studios and Vigata Embroidery. I feel we are sorry, and I'm sorry for Jumeko. I would say, Miss Sammy Patron, some of your t-shirts. Anything. Man, caught Yano de Anubi. Conco Chiconco Vodo. On to me, wow. Nemo Color Studio. Obey embroidery, nice pound the amount. Lacoste embroidery. Nina was a brand sort of at one time pound. 5-star embroidery and a cap embroidery. Police uniform embroidery. Nina 1 time pound was sort of at. After open sell here. Our photo shoot, camera handling, video editing, video shooting near there. Then I was a brand on training where come upon. That's what your makeups near there. And the Color Studio there, a whole package and casa. Uncle Hona of one choice and the lens, you know. But see, you phobia, you're quite anubi. Photographer and say, I'm manager, I need to delete pictures in Ina. Color Studio, the OTB, the spine, the charm for new crown, the shame of fun of home. You're watching my now seat Kinal Pharmacy Liberty Transport Open. Your frame was 0245 276638 0245 276638 0245 276638 Color Studios and Vigata Embroidery. Just saw 2 at one time. Boomba.
She told me straight she was in my type. She didn't know me, I came with my guys with the tear money on top the floor like mice. We the play on the girls like today I'm not less normally I don't like to the jam too much on my song fire boy take over.
Money won't want me.
I'm in San Francisco,
Money won't want me. I just flew through from Miami, Peru, para. I'm
make I just tell you my rules.
I don't like no juice, Superman juice, DJ juice, Right, so sending your messages through 0594841044. So only mobile didn't birthday now, just send them through. So only mobile didn't birthday now, me send the brand name King Kind of amount. And also just join me live on Facebook. I think Kind 93.3 FM live on Facebook. Join me. An interactive show. A Friday when it's so the party on radio kind of thing. Yes. But in the meantime, I make my motivational message. And then, listen, I promise you a lot of music. Yes, music and non papa. I promise you. A Friday, yes. So what else do you expect? Oh yeah, Jumano now for yes, But in the meantime, let me give you my motivational message this morning. Right in Tiano Pay and Crash, I'll some way the mouth, and I had the brown. Don't chase people. Be you, do your own thing, and work hard. The right people will belong, or the right people who belong in your life will come and, stay. So don't chase people. Be you. Do your own thing and work hard. The right people who belong in your life will come to you and stay. Don't chase people. I want to share my brace out here, me patcho a father. No coffee, kakra ubenye denti aya menye ho akwala mani pabi. Menye chairman bebrebe sa. Just be you. Jiwhudi na ye jumaden. Debi amitaka sa asem we say. When you believe in yourself, when you believe in your craft, ade bia wo ye bia no fa enimia bi hyem. Afo akoma nya di etwe na ye ne ye. Etwire no obanya positive results. Ya won kofo bi wo ma akwadworo so ma. Akwadworo. Obesoro aye adwuma no onye. Ene yesa masanko an ope. Ye chairman Debi. Ene mere mi anya chairman biem. Wankasa ma woni nya den pa adwuma bi ye na pasika gu botom. Na ya wankasa wo chairman. What you say? Don't be chasing people around because of no curfew. Do your own thing and work hard. Work hard. Do your own thing and work hard. Ye jumadin pe kakra gu botom. Na dia tia say why ye jumadin na kakra gu botom ewie no. The right people are nan kanyango point design so mbro abrabo meboa no. They will come. What you say? Obi biara etwa so oboa wo no obeba enti jaye samasa ye jai follow back here popskini gra wo jai popskini gra jai follow back here na nka wo na sisi we follow back me pacho ma wodi ngade wa brabo imu. Whatever you are doing for kuma nyina shem for wade nyina shem for ho de nyina shem na je ne ye na positive result neba one hour be enjoy oni obusu afo na afo na be enjoy. What you say? Neja follow back embo yes amasa be rebesa no e dia kwadworo ne nam because na why Kwame Asante yes amasa no ma 50 Ghana ochina yes amasa 50 Ghana ochina be yes amasa 50 Ghana e ba na sa kwadworo tale ho che was with him say onya kan yes amasa we nya 50 Jabana sa won kwa bontin ko page ma bi nye onfefo ko eko construction no na wada because with him say wada mo ko ba ya samasa o me pe bia ma ja kwadworo na ja ya samasa na ma woni nya den na pe kakra gu boto ati ase abana sa udrim yo de ya kan say ubenya good vibe. Alright, so 93.3 FM, this is my daily dose of motivation. So we got good vibe there. Let's do this song from Mr. Drew and Kevin Boy. Good vibe.
It's Mr. Drew, party tonight.
Have a blessed day.
Friday night I want to party. Me and my people we go celebrate.
Radio Papa.
We just a DJ. When the sun comes down and it's time to play. From Monday to Sunday, we the jam all night though. I want to feel good, party all night long. Go see a baby say move. I want to feel good, party all night long. Go yeah, baby say move. Everybody feeling irate. Every day it's a party. Feel the groove and vibration. Yeah. Everybody feeling irate. Every day it's a party. Feel the groove and vibration. For my life, I see me so up by my mind. Follow me go party tonight. Yeah, it's a true say, late tonight. See we go say late
tonight, too. All my people want to die here tonight, too. Cannabis is making me the happy for mine, though. Tonight is a one of a kind, though. Yeah, yeah. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna touch with somebody. Tonight you can call me your daddy, your daddy, your daddy. I wanna dance with somebody. But you know the side to the money. You know the worry.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Make her the feeling. You know the name, right? Practice. Hey baby, you the beat me too much. It's smart, make I see your dimple. Pretty girl, I'm loving your touch. Hey bad girls, me I know the lingo. I never ever say you bye bye. Never ever leave you single. Hey, anytime I did by your side, you make me feel so simple. Simple, my baby simple. You make me simple. You treat me right, smart, make I see your dimple. Simple, my baby simple. You make me simple. It's the K, to the U-N-T-A. Send a daddy lumba se sunny D and the D-N. Change you within and I'm a friend with sweet girl. Nim get a bama me jammy pretty girl. Sick of you be you where you did make my heart beat well. Oh no, when it can't say me teddy bear. No, Pessy got some on your money girl. On I'm not with Tasha Shana, shower with our girl. Then if any grab a shower, feel anybody girls. Halle Berry, Debbie, on your first chain, Halle Berry. My hit team, with my crew, and my celebrity.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa, I'm posing. Thank you.
I say, would to me, I really wish I would be the first to buy. Say, would you move on? Was I so be? I might be the first to call. Oh, I wish that I wish like I do. I go fly away to my love. What is this? Worry. You don't go with me. Yo, there we X. Cause somebody call my baby. That I love I'm only. Oh, but now I don't worry. If she don't come with me. Now I go there. Cause somebody call my baby. That I love I'm only. Oh, but now I don't worry. You don't call me. Now I go there. Cause I do yawa. Shemaya yawa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
You don't call me. Now I go there. You making me turn up. Baby, come on. Now you go there follow. But you making me go look.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I'm missing one up a coco. Yeah, leave you out of my mind.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
See me, I used to my Yeah, all the girls in the show body. Take off all the show baby. Then I just scare them like to me. Cause I just show money. Yeah, a dead ben I'm in Yevida. Oba ben I'm in Fabida. A slim ben I'm in Tibida. Obra ben I'm in Bobida. A dead ben I'm in Hubida. Tika ben I'm in Divida. Ibiara se my Evida. Yeah, mama and kind of got see it too. Yeah, got see it too. Come I. I see it too. Yeah, I see it too. One, I'm in Chile. Living be the only way. Nobody knows tomorrow. Timon boy, man, I know me. Sako cover man fine. We are seeing some mankind. Jai mami feeling my time. Just show mercy. Your coming and the do things plenty. You only live once. I tired before hard labor. Stand for when he make a vent to. Only a few do me favor. We go do everything we be meant to. Say something. You know I'm standing for it. You know I'm standing for it. Say something. So who's a massive? You man, I'm in. A dead ben I'm in Yevida. Oba ben I'm in Fabida. A slim ben I'm in Tibida. Obra ben I'm in Bobida. A dead ben I'm in Hubida. Tika ben I'm in Divida. Ibiara se my Evida. Yeah, mama and kind of see it too. Yeah, see it too. Come I. See it too. Yeah, I see it too.
Young C204, where me I enter the street. Up till now, no defeat. Where I no go, where they no know me. Make sure you start the receipt. Table of men, me meeting will be bosses now they. Now enjoy your easy. Mr. Somebody, I for by 6 times in a day. Hey, Jama, when be sa. Hey, Missy Town, I won't be a like a man conversation. A Louis V, Gucci, na Prada. May I some rock, what's the Mayor John? I'm show fake, I'm a designer. Hey. How much do you have too much money? Aside the block, oh, yeah, in the times too. I had the fun and have me 5 feet the boiler, they gonna rush
The way I'm alive,
Hey, I'm in for apology and come on. Yvette, or Tama Newtown was sending me a lengthy message. I mean, quite a lengthy message. Or see, they be no offer with here kind of and I ended any offer a testy message, but unfortunately, mankind ain't in the woeful. I said good morning, Costi. Yesterday, my uncle said I always listen to Ainkai, so he would join me to listen to Abuzig. So my uncle uses his own credit to test you, but you didn't read his message. Why? I'm sorry, yeah, Yvette. Also, Andrea, no message is in there, Dawson. Oh, Andrea message is in there, Dawson. Into me, Pabi, say, me JB. It invites me. I'm very sorry, pa. Fetch me, pa. I'll say that. I've been telling my workers to listen to you. If they don't have radio, they should watch you live from Facebook as well. Ow, events. Ow. I wish some minimum na menchawadi. But I'm very sorry. I feel send them a kind of message. Must have power track and fetch me why. What for Newtown?
Cause I show money.
Fetch me, panana misha on some count. Me say Bonsano, you can't send what you move. Bonsano, you can't send a message for 50594 841044. Bonsano, for our voice notes, Fabra. Obiza beat then. Beat your hand, mouth. Missy Chi. Oh, you can't broth. Sorry, you can't broth say. Bonsano, you can't broth say. And I said, beat your hand, mouth. Bonsano. Hey. Oh my days. I've been traveling home, right? I can messages in video. Right, so stay tuned. 93.3 FM. Bring in your messages here. Bonsano. Me pacho beat your hand, mouth. Bia, nya sabia. What did beat your hand, mouth? Besa balo. Ube hu ade mayo. Me pacho show ofie pa. Ube hu ade mayo. File message for 50594 841-044. 0594-841-044. Voice note, WhatsApp, and that's a normal SMS. You're working kind of out. You're basically
Ohimamia Kambojuma Ompemna Samama Wompempao.
Minia Kawakuma to yem Amaje Herbal Clinic Esa and Yadway na one more Esa and Yadwa be to say Bema Wayamre a wompem Bema went to menwo what a ma afe munso Amaje Esa and Yadwa be to say as a keka what ba went to me and one so Amaje Beshe na what an te at the amount.
Say crampon a Murphy Carrier Banasumuki Comedy says Zongola Chichi and Achimu.
There be Amaje Esa and Hunemuni Yarabia Sempo Webu Ekuko and Nasa woni pedie na ayemre Udani we ni edi chire Amaje Herbal Clinic one mo ewo emfidie wo ho a one mo edi ebe so wa hwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na one mo amaw anwedru wo be hu Amaje Herbal Clinic chire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di enfeni mu fra won ewo telephone number edi di so eso 0244 877 840 anasa 0205 045 655 ko Amaje Herbal Clinic nanya wa yaresa
Ahinkai FM woya yenimgo yenimajani Ahinkai FM Jaya Kaya no na be munu o edru so Ahinkai FM cooking competition for senior high school edru so ye benuo nuane na wo so nu aduane no
papa enuane awodo ba yiniti Shanenson sabusu mini de toso aduasa achem abuabu de backgrounds
30th October enuane ebesu
aya no gretrodo who you be a wako school ewo any of the senior high school spare bra famumeni jama abetai with senior high school achi no ninkuni achade ewo Ahinkai FM cooking competition yimu
say what yo chese ye benuo nuane Ghana nuane a yenim no wo so num nkwan ye de a ene ye ahia me schools a ebe bie odan senior high school achimoda
Atefa senior high technical achimoda
Wanchi Salvation Army senior high school achimwanchi
across senior high school achim across
Achiamai senior high school achimanso wo mo so ba
Fishing Vocational Institute achim abuabu home grounds
Achiasi senior high school achima chiase wo mu tia line
ana le kwakwa no Youth in Leadership and Skills Training Center achim takrasi
ye why aduane na be ye de
Shanenson live band music etuatua adontufu toto Robinson Finkan aduane onyamba be tachi
eji ajontufu bebre eddo dada hafko Selina Boati Dikin Samiba Kwajo Abeberima.
And I tell you, the gospel striker, Perpetua, Didier. Elder Ofori Yabua of Hebron Prayer Camp. Onusu Tialai.
Hey, Mami Pokuyeba.
Anuti, Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Cooking competition for senior high school. A Basso live. Our Achem Abu Deba ground.
What's it a date, baby?
30th October 2021.
A chance your time, baby.
Anopanon Kron Kopum and Numero Nsia.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM. The best in the East.
Empire.
Ebenja.
EPM Media College, the best media training school in the Eastern region. Abiena Puno Atoho ama board of directors and the entire school management. Etunsa ede afre obibiara say ebreno asun say ye fat next batch of trainees. Ye radio and afe television courses ninyina. Ye wia ya mount 3 months attachment. Ewa station pia wope. Ube wieno na ukra professional diploma. Ube timidia ye juma. Ewa Ghana eni amano ninyina. Ya wonkoko Hotel Junction, EPM Media College, and She Media House Biasi. Enuntino Sauba, Ushia experienced presenters are Omufi Free Media Houses are Hoodwoom Ewa Omaigan and Munina, and some Trejumana from Bia Opayano. The right place, any EPM Media College. O performs Nibia, Fraying Ewa 0241 393534 0241 393534.
Salute. Hey.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediamus somewhere who by no, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing Yano, a boy who buying every home. And now woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Middle, answer Nadia Fia, Rampao.
Ha, a pint 20, and I'm a Fia Shamsano.
And no see a Soprana.
A J.A. Pinding and Call Limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And you no quampuna home, me do so to one, and your money say, baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pine and I'm saying, what then your men yet to say wine. A ya parazone one, I mean this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the Nefro. And dear Badena, I will rap to be easy.
Eya Kashano, I'm a dear to a poor brain in us, and Nubia, Papa Patas soon so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one in Empire, who our Wobia will fear happy.
Meditawo, a J.A. Biney snake reparent, I'm dear to my sessan.
Hey, and no more near my papa.
Biney quiz open and say, what did you, Madame? Well, was saying, I and one swan, I'm the one chance when you're not that.
And you're with you, media does the Achelaman. I ain't found no more.
J.A. Woman, your mano, Ubenya Biato Kuma, Setakra de Tamale, Ho, Sunyane, Kwako, Wabuase, Bonga, Oda, Ghana Commercial Bangi, NAD Animal Share. Sawa Penidoso Pomatua, Ubenya B, Awaka, Swa, Winiba Road, the Wakasana Factory, no SCA.
Mamma number, no from Comacoin, no so from
0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
Medovo, now so Mudini body say.
J.A. Binding and Call Limited.
Jaja, me drew Hosesia. Crusade. King of Grace Chapel, Akim Asene present to you an Massive Miracle Crusade 2021. At if you have something to say, now will be someone say, I don't know what's son. Now what catch was said, New Yama Luke 1931. Anunti Osumia, and Dayanimia Yakwakoshim 13th October to 17th October. King of Grace Chapel, and the new idea suo. Say, yeah, the bar Abenja Wana Ayla, Sunday Waka say, wait on Sunday no, Nani who ain't here Emma Grady, and to one so who ain't here Magra. Program never says here. Okwada Animri, Nunsia and the Fa, Hussy, non crow and the Fa. Saransona, Yawada, Nunsia and the Fa, Hussy, non crow and the Fa. Now, if you're done it, you have a passum, no trip, Ecosi, and Opa, Dubaco, and Pipe Opera. And if you're done a humlinso, no trip, Pepe, Hussy, and a Ju do me no Nayapon. Memory dinosaur, you bear picnic, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now, Nicosia, that's one. You program now. I notice Shanason, so ubet me up a program no airbasso. Our Anamasi, Lolling Station open, and a program no airbasso. Now, a castle for Bebri, and a Beba program Nasi. Evangelist Kofi Amwa, Reverend Black Ofon, Eda Emmanuel Asante, Eda Emmanuel Achampo, Reverend Mrs. Mercy Techi, Eda Michael Techi, Eda Anyum Tofo Akukuda, Reverend Osro, Adom Eva, Obaba Equia, Sister Ako, anyone Ekeka. Now, Osofo Pongwa, program we is in the Nanso. Aye, Reverend Frank Kwasi in Kansa, Osemen Kanchero said, we ayan Sanchranisha Muti, Kaya never console a free, Sa Ua Sembisabia, friend number 0245 97 93 11. Come on, so baby. Now, Ube who a gradia no monya. Adumre. More best science.
Jamo building contractor for dear a yana mani brimu. If you say a bus cement, iron rods, any blocks I did see a dynamo. Mother said Jamo Freya near the factory, straight near the Abramo
factory. Then I want to Quasi distribution agency in Kaon.
Hey, who can one nipa base and Siana Mabo, Sa Quasi distribution agency for you?
Achi, Achiwa Dan and Bottom Hadi will be a will see done, and now wire construction beer, Ecofan cement, and an iron rods, every Quasi distribution agency. And see, and your factory one I know more the Bramo. A factory, the contract Hura Minina. Quasi distribution agency and also prime cement, iron rods, blocks, size beer, and adwa binding wires, pavement blocks, and your dancing who Yaman Kayana. And it is a woman I digu one track in the Brewery. Achimo Danny Eastern region and Kaya Hadie will be a cofan cement, iron rods, a free Quasi distribution agency, Achimo Dan. Ah, sir, Cyber Dini Mami Bio, Quasi distribution agency, Achimo Dan. Monsieur Fiti Necro, a den bia Missiano, a Chim Danny Eastern Region Ham Potamwakani dear, a Quasi distribution agency, a Juana Meko. Matisse, one more opposite Timber Market, Omo by MTN, and a telephone numbers in Sua, a 0202 722 695, and a 0266 422 351. Quasi distribution agency, Yaya Yesi Dino, Yanuwa Necro.
So, I serve it hot. I give you all the gist in the entertainment fraternity. I'm the music plug too. You're from Kobina Kosti. I branded part the perfect gentleman, host of Showbiz 933. Me brought me a whole new package. So meet me, I'm Pandit.
What you say? And Kolam and for all genders, all age groups. That time timing about 3 almost imagine session. That's why you.
Etiana ne wansem kan no an average pundit like some of us, you know. Now we find it hard to discuss him, but it's what we supposed to do because we need to do and it's show business.
Because instead of your quality and you're too high in the idea. Don't I do you know massive for Americans one boys na crack say. I'm by you know on the delete music you know from digital channels so I'm decoder so.
This and every Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Stalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Today between me and my miagasa. Me dem last power do well many akata. Cause I between me and my Cheliana mastaga. Etina ma kopa cheni amamu akasa to me ko Pentecost me bobambu. Me na nani de good me bosi. Remember when you age oba hema ensu oba ni. Na nim dwane na nantu. Etina yenye brana yenye.
Cupid, let's go.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
I know, yes, I know that you my treasure. So when you hear me call your name, give me sweat. Mommy say, mommy, baby, I won't go on. Oh, that your love is sweet, me past the flower nectar. You alone, it do me better. Girl, let's take a picture. Wanna see you smile, baby, nice to meet you. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture. Wanna see you smile, baby, nice to meet you. Now what do you do? Someone coming home and I'm come see me you. Send a picture. Send a picture. Listen, what do you do? Someone coming home and I'm what do you? Send a picture. Send a picture. Oh yeah, yeah. I love it when your body dip on me, baby girl, it blow my mind. Yeah. Girl, I like the way you put it on me, baby girl, don't slow that wine. Yeah. Hold me, tease me, squeeze me, and give it to me one time. Yeah, hold on, baby, make you no slow down. Girl, let's take a picture. Wanna see you smile, baby, nice to meet you.
And most definitely, I want to see you smile. Beautiful song out to be can promise. Let's take a picture. That brings us to 19 minutes into the 11. And when we say a brand new song from Kwame Eugene, Abba. And you see, me on me penkophobia, mon penkophobia, me pesa adi and cry. Now Kwame Eugene last week, Kwame Eugene said, Nigeria no matter what's Ghana too much. I job a mama dear my pound Nigeria no more for Ghana because I mean he's coming to release an EP. Now EP no bad boy. Na Nigeria no na doors for Ghana no a fade out. Yeah. And I mean we all know his capabilities. Yeah, him send a Kwame Eugene out here. But in Kofu say Kwame Eugene ya copy sana Kofu ka. And Kofu say Kwame Eugene no be drop bebre na ebi kra na Nigeria vibe kakra bi apie wom sana Kofi Eji kaka chema no pay. Now Kwame Eugene latest no aba his latest song no aba and Kofu say Kwame adan and no dey guy there but I say wa unua kidi nenyo touch it no you feel it touch it kakra wo latest song ni mo people say people say I don't know but I want to play the latest song from Kwame Eugene to you now once you I mean let me know your verdict. Does the song sounds like Touch It? And I said me there I don't know me there minim the amount of more cancer Kwame Eugene copy me there minim. I even want to put his younger brother on the line, but I know Obey will be kakra. But right, so let's listen to this song from Kwame Eugene Bonka, brand new song. Let's listen.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Am I the only one on the dance floor? Cause you're waiting patiently for my downfall. The money gone like an uncle. I'm in the more they fight at the stand tall. Passing my back on it. And all of the girls wanna follow me. More money, more enemies. But you will never know peace if you want to kill my vibe. Die by fire. My vibe. Oh, die by fire. My vibe. Die by fire. My vibe. Die.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Comfortable lead from the top to the end. All of the girls wanna follow me. More money, more enemies, but you will never know peace if you want to kill my vibe.
Kwame Eugene say yeah. All right, and Kofu say Kwame Eugene no say no bonka no any kiddy touch it na your me jindi abi muso say omugidi atopa hen crowd you say the same adiana right me pesa won tie touch it na yen hwe say you know na say enye no right so play me touch it.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Puff, puff, pass, my Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. So allow me, make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, oh, eh. Every day different wahala. Problem not the finish, oh, eh. I just wanna party every day. I just wanna party every day. So pass me the Dutchie. Pretty girl, come wine upon the cocky.
Right, Kofi Eju or when Kofi Eju, Kofi Eju say me pe Kwame Eugene asem pon but copy and them see there be when you copy. And I still now must say you way pe. Sir. Touch it in any one can. Tell us about one can be na me hwe say pa me dey me nche na ante ne sa.
Bang 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 bang. Oh I. Oh I. We didn't come here to play. Am I the only one on the dance floor? Cause you're waiting patiently for my downfall. The money gone like an uncle. I'm in the mud, they fight at the stand tall. Touching my back on it. All of the girls wanna follow me. More money, more enemies. But you will never know peace if you want to kill mine. I'm high on life. Fire. My vibe. Allow me, make I enjoy life. My vibe. Every day different wahala. My vibe. Conga, now because of you where I drop this. And I refuse save when I'm in that. Pass me the Dutchie. Pretty girl come conga, now because of you where I drop this. Tell make it touch it. The under, I refuse save when I'm in that. Pass me the Dutchie. Pretty girl come wine pon the cocky. 10 toes one. I signed to everybody wanna carry go. Touch it. Puff, puff, pass. My Mary Jane. I'm get fame and no eyes on you. Pretty girls see me and they all come tell me. Make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, oh, eh. Every day different wahala. Cause you're waiting patiently for my downfall. The money gone like an uncle. I just wanna party every day.
All right, you see, yeah, they mix it. Yeah, the one can't touch it, not mix it. My patch of fish, I don't pay. And I mean, we should pardon Kwame Eugene. But me, I don't understand. I dang, I'm more sick. Kwame Eugene, copy, and then I mean, tears here. I think one can in your own. Okay, mommy, touch it then so.
Back up and bend over. Let your back up do the talking over. Say,
yeah, go bonka.
Bunka. Now because of you, where I drop.
Yeah, go touch it.
Comfortably from the top to the. Bunka.
Kwame Eugene say yeah.
You wanna carry go? Mini money more.
Alright, 26 minutes to love is 220 to 93.3 FM. This is the best mid-morning, undoubtedly, trust me.
Girls see me and they all confused. French girls saying
my force me and my comparison way. When I'm cancel bon canone touch it in your bread. And when I go forward, I said, so Kwame Eugene, is this the reason why you are telling us you are going to help fade Nigerian music out of the system with this copy? And I'm say, where they copy. I mean, they are family. And they are all under one label, Links Entertainment, under one boss, Richie Mensah. It's in a And I still must say, she. At the point, she. Yeah.
I believe from the top to the under. I refuse save when I'm in that bunker.
But what's one kind of file? Yeah, bro, I in kind high school cooking competition.
Believe from the top to the under. I refuse save when I'm in that.
I in kind high school cooking competition. Nyakopo ya course wo yeah, boba for real man for show so. You follow 10 course so. We to dia in kind kwa me yeboa. And 8 schools across senior high school, Achiamai senior school, advanced senior high school, Atefa senior high school, Ebe Baloteno, Bifa Pepreza, Bifa Fufu. You drew out my testing officers as well. They say, oh, yeah, did Chimibia. You will hop up. Jania, you did the grass. I never forswear the beer. Share. Yen tu shingu of ya. Yen tu be biengu. When Mamma go beside ya, Freya yen tu bingu. Yen dibi baby. Share.
No eyes on you. Pretty girls.
Cause you be the agro of ya.
French girls.
Me patroya. For they didn't even do school nechi. For Germany brand, 30 of the Achimbabu Chroma no de Jai. How about the Bruta? At for the day for German for Simbo. Fabra, after she had the artist Bebrena never. My own dada of course will be here as well. And a gospel striker. And to check a share. If you have a the Bruta on the 30th, Ababu Chroma there. The Brocky streets no be see the background sir. Was in the agro crowd. But Chopper South sponsor program where number 0244 878-763 0244-878-763. Chopper South sponsor program now is 0244-878-8763. I beg your pardon, 0244-878763. So sponsor and Kwandia. Lord try to I'm a J-Bar Clinic. I'm a J-Bar Clinic watching my van here. If your trauma this car machine by us why this scanning for baby we are reading in out there. If you show kidney money the idea na ya rebi at hold you 2 appear one time pa. Your physiotherapy, massage and papa quantum detector. Then na ya ma J-Bar Clinic and I obenya we na. Telling so say infertility both a man and woman na yetimi cure and yetimi two ashare them out ulcer, prostate enlargement, syphilis, hepatitis B and C, kidney problem, menstrual problem, gonorrhea. Then na you two ashare one time pa. Amaje ba say yan kancho bibia sabio ya re ama what na fa ko wo se untimi ntu na mo mba clinic wa wo dia fraya yan kasa ya beba waso ye Wada romanti, ebe sawo yare. Abaje ba clinic. I watch him other. Opposite gas filling station, Red Cross Junction. Ohwania wo Muzuzu Mu Junction 5665 0205 045 665 and 0244 0244 877-840. Abaje ba clinic wo se wa yare se fie.
I'm in the mode fight at the stand tall. Hashima back on it.
Philanthropist be a PM watching Abu Chrome ha.
More money
for attaching more than Chroma.
You will never know.
She am fan to be any mushe.
My vibe.
Unya sukua about was on and so sikasem a problem. What try pa? And young call for DEFEB. The fed there be any nubia. What chankasa A1 B2 near the Unyanka obeko uni, unya obeko nurses training, unya obeko teacher training, nesu sikasem. Yanko pon yi na bie. So me bo bibia. Ya penko form mako miensa. E dey say JHS S. Me patcho that yes ya be background check ni na. Me hu say yampa say we twa yantro na say we kan no kre. Aha, Juba Fresh 0244 878-763. 0244-878-763.
Get fame and no.
Open mwasa. Right TV abwa.
Confused. French girls say no the wabon.
Et is still na mo say bon kana ya dey. Repeat bon kana ma bi o. Kwame Eugene o say yeah.
I'm in the mode fight.
I can't say bro fu. E be bi o phone na enchenya botre. Enya botre ma me. Now would try me Friday. What is a Friday there? Now would try. Where's that? Kobna? Play your fingertips. One funny day, but the last number you're 12. I see play your fingertips. Just a bonsano. This one says, clap your fingers together. What's happening there? What's in the day? Bambulu. Bambulu. I say clap your fingers together. How can you clap your finger? How can you clap your finger?
The girls see me and they all confused. French girls say you know the vibe on you. So confused.
But this one says, Kosti, good morning. How are you? What for the day? The answer is what? What? Greet your hands. Kosti, long time. Greet my lovely baby girl. If you're for me, Kwame Taylor. What is greet your hands? Chiawansa. Hey. Oh, message you are main kind. Where you know for the main kind. Obisu as a why is a keys no parts.
Because of you, I drop this banga. Comfortably from the top to the under. I feel safe when I'm in that funka, 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 funka.
Well, this one says, meaning, met my voice note this is here. Okay. You know, Bonsano, right? I mean, no. This one? Yeah. Okay.
Beat the hand's mouth.
What's it there?
Beat the hand's mouth.
What's it beats my mouth?
Beat your hands.
Debbie, what's it there?
Beat your hand's mouth. Beat your hands.
Debbie, first one, what can I say?
Beat your hand's mouth.
What's it beats my mouth? Papa, Mante, what's it? Beat Debbie, what's it there?
Beat your hands mouth.
Beat the man's mouth and what's it there?
Beat your hands.
Okay, what's it hands? Alright, let me try this one too. Where's today? Okay. I'll say it's snap. It has the rhythm of boom boom pose. Alright, that is coming in. Check that song out. Yeah. Okay.
Cause they're waiting patiently for my downfall. Them money gone like an uncle. I mean, the more they fight, they stand tall. Touching my back on it. And all of the girls wanna follow me. More money, more energy.
Maybe your phone line and change. I will tell me. My patron said, "Your birthday, happy birthday, cause you're come out. See happy is to be a birthday, happy birthday, and come out. You share the same birthday with the superstar Bruno Mars. Yeah. And then Bruno Mars' birthday. Happy birthday to BB Audio birthday, Nebia. It's the real name of Peter Genny Hernandez. Bruno Mars is an American singer, songwriter, record producer, musician, and also a dancer. Oh, minim assassin and the dancer. Bruno Mars is a minim assassin, Bruno Mars. So he was born on a day like this, 8th October 1985, or 36 years today. The dad Bruno Mars for 36 years. I mean Bruno Mars crying. The dad Bruno Mars for 36 years. Hey, I brought from a multi new crowd.
All of the girls wanna follow me.
I beg start this song once again for me. I'm on my young say. See, I'm a person who say, Mosi Ampala say. Only touch it today, Bana.
I mean, the more they fight, they stand tall.
The mid-morning show.
All of the girls wanna follow me. More money, more enemies, but you will never know peace if you want to kill my vibe. Die by fire. My vibe, oh die by fire. My vibe, die by fire. My mean I don't know why they want to do it though. Get fame and no eyes on you.
Of course, the Podumas will join me, NJ. But I mean, I was saying, Booster Barmeksha. A immune booster, a drawback, why boost any immune system. A patch of our son can be Yardie. By a body pankay. The analysis immune system on Wadinima. Yardie, Chuma, not baby, I travel with Dinamo. The strap on our sign can. Police in your drew. And I say, in boost hell bar mixture. Your friend police in your drew. In boost hell bar mixture. Mausa and can be no numbi. And I'll pay we enumerating Homagina, Bobby and Nadia. My immune system on young wedding. Wadin baby ma. Yariansu and to me and Trown Jane. Drew I know a penny baby alpha. Sawoya Rio. A patch of pay imbus elba mission as a police in your dream. Pebino. That's why a power drugstore be out still me patch of me pay imbus elba mission. What you mean, can't I say me pay police in your drone? A boy, ye pa. Pepitos is here, Abu Bobby. I'll wait me a friend 0246 208496 0246 208496 0540710113 0540710113 Police in the draw. Watch your baby no noms is here. Now, so Kwame say because of us, it will drop it this bang. I'm moving how can say, any on any kid touch it and say, oh, I am a munyesa. Come on, don't be mean. Ah, what is this? I
don't know why they want to do it though. Get fame and no eyes on you. Pretty girls see me and they all confused. French girls say,
and then I Kwame Eugene Kwan dropping your mama back on one seven. Ah, they won't get a branch at the cacre.
Follow me.
Sana oye we buzie okumchola chola okumchola Ravens. And so come you just on your gospel musician. Oye then you okumchola Ravens. Salas Befisi and Incan from enjoying your show live. I with Honorable Salam Mustafa, incoming MPP National Youth Organizer inside MPP headquarters. That's a moment. Regards to Honorable Kwasi Enim. Agenda for.
When I'm in that bunker. Now because of you, I drop this banger. Comfortably.
A Robert Thabis okay of say a Juma. So thank God it's Friday. A Robert Thabis okay of you say na your mommy birthday, yeah. Me say the who be so Facebook near there. Happy birthday. Come at Robert and mommy. Happy birthday, pa enko emano. Yeah. Any of them out.
Follow me. More money, more enemies, but you will never know peace if you want to kill my vibe. Die by fire. My vibe. Oh, die by fire. My vibe. Die by fire.
Salome Adenchensu I was saying answer beat your hands together. But that's what we say, hands together. Hey, waka she Kwame always say Kwame all the way. I'm done from a treasure.
Slim, fat, tall, and heavy.
Kwame Eugene the Ajay. Well, I'm Joe Costi. Bowonsano, the English name is Twist Your Fingers. I said, if when you know anything back up, I can't lie on face at my son. What I war, what do? So far, I say, me who one correct answer on WhatsApp. I just about it. I say we are the last number 19 be no man na there. I think so no go na draw. Yes, me. Yes, I think he's the only person. Now, desert. The bro for no watch on the cry. What is this? Hey. What message me on? I am three because Nangasa bro for now waiting. Watch on waiting. And I know mom's answer. I mean, he's accusing me of. Come on. Men can't cry. Men can't cry. I was there for the desert. Boakwa Herbal Clinic. Boakwa Herbal Clinic. Dr. Niedruno. Boakwa Herbal Clinic. Now me pacho tie me. Say oh Johnson mu yare on. O Johnson aya o ya o Johnson betimi achim sam. Bibi kra ko Johnson mu se mu apai mienu tie be wontafo. One dada o. Yare unim. About sexual weakness and sweat also, infertility, skin rashes, diabetes, malaria, typhoid fever. Boakwa Herbal Clinic is a brand new to us one time for now. Boakwa Wabish Laos, we also into massaging and detoxification with advanced massaging machine. So confused. Ayabra Boakwa Herbal Clinic. Open massage on massage. What the hell? Who say your mouth massage, papa? You see, your massage be on my okwa, nipa no sabi on in semu kakakra no. Beko fie na wo chinye twitwa, ase the actual boma, but boakwa for massage de de. Machine ye de beye. Yan koma obi mfa ne nsemu nye. Ya de machine, ene ya de beye massage no. Nti obebe fie no, na wo mposo nye sisi so kama po. Na you say sometimes obre bebra, uhia massage. Ubrebebria uhia massage na uhia massage na men come obi mfa ni nsemu miamia obi otimi ye kuturuku sei atapan hweme sa obi timi ye sei no da pim obi achi ku adan ya o massage no adan ye kunfu ni ye kon die by fire my I am enyesa kra die by fire eti ko boakwa Herbal Clinic. Now after Boakwa Herbal Clinic, get the Boakwa you may shine the aba for all stomach pain, stomach ulcers. So the pancho we drew a Boakwa you make sure get the Boakwa tea make sure so they about for typhoid fever and now for UTI infections be Boakwa tea make sure to us your Miss Pin Herbal team and a mom woman I'm more happy tension now for she share reno. One pay me spin Herbal TDBH kwano no. Boakwa Herbal Clinic will give you the best from an experienced medical practitioner, Dr. Ofori. Locate here wachim Odan Bangalo, Ahojo Junction. Ejabwati fi ho ne wo. Frame was 0240226924 and 0248503189. You will never know peace if you want to kill. Boakwa Herbal Clinic ana. Yes, sort out. By fire, my vibe, oh die, by fire, my vibe, die, by fire, my vibe, die, by fire. Sasa sana pe ho to say. Sasa good morning, why? Michiao. Unya kwa mi yuji nyomo ni yabo. I love the girls want by fire, my hey. Bonsano Warishe ade papa na membuza de jeze obetimi agire Bonsano obetimi aka na obrofo mama ya Bonsano one person penetration success I thank everybody wanna carry go in the mini money mo slim fat tall and the heavy load I mean I don't know why they want to do it though get fame and no 0554820910 you're confused French girls say you know the vibe 0554820910 your first how can free
hello
yes dear your first how can free
Battle Salome and James
Salome, bonsa no, you can't say bro from.
Flipper.
Day.
Flipper.
Salome, uma me da was why?
Almost you there.
Uncle for say call me Eugene Kokope kiddy touch it no.
Oh, munjai sa. I don't know what it is.
Oh, no so unjai sa.
Oh, that you want to say.
Sao.
I didn't know me percent Nigeria no mono. Entry system and no boy. It's a few fan castle which is oh. And
yeah, right, I see that. You're from so casa free. Hello?
Hello.
You're from so casa free. Right, mommy too, bon sound you can't sound bro phone. Position who ye na me to casa ni. What's that can say? Hello? No, sorry, me to casa. You're from so casa free. Hey, Apasco. Now what pom to say? Apasco, when try na ya o papa ba ko gi school fees nya. Bon san kan say bro fun.
Oh,
yeah, we need credit so. Okay, hello, you're from so as a friend.
Hello?
Yes, boss, you're from so as a friend.
You're from Bambulu because that's free Akimoda.
Bambulu. Bonsano.
Clap your fingers together.
Clap day.
Your fingers together.
Oh, papa, that was your plan. Why? I was saying clap your fingers together. Ooh, TV can't clap your fingers together. 055.
Money gone like an uncle. I'm in the morning.
All right, 05548209110. 05548209110.
Follow me. More money, more enemies.
We say snip your fingers. This is fee or fee clothing at Achima Benasi. Snip your fingers.
Oh, die by fire.
You. Oh, papa, that was a pa.
Die by fire.
Your frost, so as a free. Doctors.
Yeah.
But your bonsano, you can't sing, bro.
Snap.
Bonsano, you can't sing.
Snap.
Snap then.
Snap, no.
Snap na.
No.
All right. That's it. 0554820910 0201944485. Your frost, so as a free. DJ, what can your homework near about? Okay. And then it's here over to Bonsan, I can't zone, bro. What's the name? Mr. Bonsan, I can't zone, bro. Clap your fingernails. Hey! I saw my call in the school fees. Oh, my days. You're from Swagger free.
Super. Original.
Super.
Yes, sir.
Super. So, one child. One child. You might do a kindness was 6 years. Young call Bonsan, you can't say.
Snout your finger.
What's the name? Nyabotre. Let me manse. Manse.
Snap finger.
First, okay. What's a snap then? Super mentio. Asa masonya me yakakra. Can you hear me say?
Abna snap finger.
Snap finger.
Yes.
Super ko homework ba still na. All right, 0554 8209110. That's 0201944485. You're first, as a free.
Desert news.
Desert. Me who message you? I was there napping.
Napping,
Napping, oh. Napping day. Napping finger. When young papa damas why? That's it.
I just wanna battle every day, so pass me the dutchie. Pretty girl, come wine pon the cocky. 10 toes, one girl, make it touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Pass me the dutchie. Pretty girl, come wine pon the cocky. 10 toes.
Alright, what before we? Your first work as a free.
Medindi Isaac. Do you remember me Capito? Me Casa Frase.
Right, Capito, who do we chat? Who do me GD pants over chat? And I won't chat. All right, maybe dear.
Snap your fingers together.
Snap your fingers together.
Together, yeah.
Oh, osadi together, cracker. Oh, papa, that was a fine. Why?
More money, more enemies, but
I said snap your fingers together.
You want to kill my vibe, die.
Adiachio.
Adiachi. Nyamiama yankwa. Amayankwa dia. Say fasida man.
Adiachi. Your first work as a free.
Hello.
Yes, boss. Your first work as a free.
Pacho, Clement. Kenneth Asar, me Kasefi, Atime Yedi.
Kenneth. Okay. Kenneth. Right. Sorry, Mantini. Bonsan, I can't say bro from.
Pacho, tap your fingers.
Tap your fingers.
TAP, tap your fingers.
TAP, what's that spell? Clement, better see. Why? Oh, Papa, but the school fees, man, with you, what that was a pan, I miss you. Your first work as a free. Hello? Sweetheart, your first work as a free. Kukwa, Okasa, I made them, you're sure so better. Yanko.
Tap your finger.
And also, your tap on the be our own. What tap on your spelling to say? Kukwa, meet you. Ah, Kukwa, what was your phone? That was a power. Why? Miss, what was your phone? That was a power. Why?
So confused.
This palace is so much. Ah, so I'm not cook up as I catch me. And I also have no repeat TB.
No repeat, no Savannah. Mahu Fakeke. Linda Bab.
Hey, Massa. What's the wine?
No repeat, no Savannah. Mahu Fakeke.
Bessin Koda. Hey, every fuck or baby. No repeat, a mammy wofu. No repeat, a mammy wofu. Me pacho. One can't tap your finger, no. Men tamasi. Anna, one can't there. The people class there, clap your fingers. So we said tap your fingers together. Now, how can you clap your fingers? How can you clap your fingers? Me fuck up you, and I'm for last one. Okay. We are last call. I first work as a free.
Mediano, me Casa Fingers.
No, we are last call. I'm just so big.
Oh, make chapa.
Yanko.
Hey, clap your finger mouth.
Ah, rather Yanko. Oh, headmaster, that was what it.
More enemies, but you will never know peace if you want to.
All right, the correct answer is snap your finger. Snap your finger. Obika says snap your fingers together. Or start it together across account. Snap your finger. Don't add any together. Snap your finger. Obisa say snap on. Anyway, snap your finger. Now one more. Bakubi cry me who say clap your finger mouth. Bonsano. Hey, I say beat your finger mouth. Bonsano. Right. Meko. Another Friday. Nyakopon ya the much. Asia Showbiz 933 from 1 to 3 p.m. Asia. Abusia from Jenny me champion Boatin Cosmos. From Jibruz Money. From Kobina Costi. From a Brantipa the perfect gentleman. But when him say me call me Chroma, I go quality. Oni na busuafo nya huma mo fra me fo gbotogbe onyuma o dwabe onyamegba majama ikiri wa bujitodi one door right. Yabese share makra obia, thank you so much for your time and also messages nya de nyina, thank you so much. But I say yes share biem akopon ya do mo 1 2 3 bye bye.
Tashima back on it. All of the girls wanna follow me. More money, more enemies, but you will never know peace if you want to kill my vibe. Die by fire. My vibe. Oh, die by fire. Hey, my vibe. Can't leave for my downfall. The money gone like an uncle. I'm in the more they fight, they stand tall. Tashima back on it. All of the girls wanna follow me. More money, more enemies, but you will never know peace if you want to kill my vibe. Die by fire. My vibe. Oh, die by fire. Hey, my vibe. Die by fire. My vibe. Die by fire. Stronger, not because of you where I drop this banger. Comfortable lead from the top to the under. I refuse save when I'm in that bunker, 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 bunker. Not because of you where I drop this banger. Comfortable lead from the top to the under. I refuse save when I'm in that bunker, 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 bunker.
This is the news.
Service and one